Oh, you're on my side now. See,
Why
I'm
was
asking you to be on your side. Because this question demands that you be on my side.
No.
Oh, dekha. Then you say.
Then you say,
But he's a protective. He knows आप कितने
मैं कितने क्या?
मतलब.
आप कितने टाइम से रुके हैं?
वही तो. अच्छा,
कैरेक्टर अच्छा नहीं है.
अच्छा मैं करूँ तो.
साला. Okay, I won't do it.
देखा धंधे से. देखिए working in
धंधे
the
right.
धंधे से. धंधे right. Okay, so you also wrapped your way into the thing today, as in the show today. You wrapped your way into the show today. I mean, is that something that you're going to take up? Are we going to see you doing it?
I think you should.
maybe?
I think you should.
No,
I
actually,
think you should come up with an album, like a music album.
a stalwart of our industry heard one of the raps I wrote, and he was like, "You really should cut an album." But no, it's just something that I did because Simi ji called, and she called me on a talk show, and when I went there, she told me, "Listen, there's something that you have to do." Display one of your hidden talents, something that we don't know you have. So I thought I'll write something on myself. Now, how do I render it? I'll rap it out. So that's how it happened. When he saw that, he liked it. He said, write something on Ricky. So I wrote something on Ricky. He loved it. He's like, let's incorporate it somewhere. So when Aadat Se Majboor was being made, I went into the studio, rapped on the song, and they were like, great. And that's how it happened.
And that's the story.
Jeez. धोखा खा गई इंडिया की हर बंदी I do it for a living call me पाखंडी सिर्फ कैश और ऐश मैं न जानू मंदी मैं हूँ मुंडा बड़ा चंगा लेकिन नियत गंदी Nice job.
NDTV's cricket app. Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard. Special analysis. And much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.